Okay, good morning everybody. It is Thursday the 16th of June. I've just come down to the Liverpool waterfront to do the Isle of Man ferry terminal. But whilst I was here, there's as you can see, a big huge ship behind me, which is the Celebrity Silhouette cruise liner. So I'm just going to jump up in the air now. Another bonus video. I've done one the other day while I was doing the Wirral to Bramley-Moore dock. I got one of the cruise liners in, so I'm just going to jump up now and go round and over this cruise liner, take a good look at it. A little bonus one, like I said. Let's have a look at it. Okay guys, so there you go. That was the Celebrity Silhouette cruise liner. It's already docked. I didn't get it coming in because that wasn't the purpose of me coming out today. The purpose was the Isle of Man ferry terminal. But you know, while it was there, took a quick look around it, a few shots over it. Hope you enjoyed it. As I said at the beginning, just a little bonus video to put up there to have a look at it, because it's a lovely ship. It's huge as well, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, share, subscribe everybody. Thank you very much.